Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very good. Now, if you're following me on Instagram, you would know that Wow and I are doing a series of giveaway on my channel, and today is the first video in wowwalidiwali giveaway series. So yeah, if you want to know all the rules, then this is the post that you need to refer to and participate on, as well as on the videos in these series. Today is the first one. Each video will have one winner and he or she will be surprised by a gift hamper from Wow directly. So yeah, make sure that you are following all the rules. I will leave all the rules at the end of this video as well, and it's already on the Instagram post which you have to participate on as well, because this giveaway will be simultaneously running both on Instagram and YouTube. So your participation on both the platforms is necessary, and make sure to follow and use the hashtag wowwalidiwali in all your comments, be it on Instagram or YouTube. Now, starting with the video, in today's video I will be talking about this Acne Deep Impact Kit from Wow Skin Science. Now, this kit has a cleansing foam, an exfoliating gel and a serum which has been especially curated for acne prone skin. Now, I belong to a dry skin family, but I do not have acne prone skin. However, I have been breaking out quite a lot in the last 2-3 months, and it's very much visible in my videos as well. So I thought of giving this kit a try. I have used it a couple of times in the last week, and I do have an opinion about each one of the products. So yes, without any further ado, let's dive into the video and see how to use these products and what are the key characteristics of these products as well. Now let's get started. Now, starting with the actual acne skincare routine, we will of course start with the cleansing foam. Now, this one helps in removing excess oil, sebum and dirt while retaining the vital lipids, which basically means that it doesn't dehydrate the skin and keeps the skin moisturized. Now, because it has BHA and neem and basil extracts, it naturally heals the skin, and because it's in form of it's a foam based cleanser, it's not very harsh on the skin and it doesn't dehydrates it. And that's the fact that I absolutely love about this cleanser, because I have extremely dry skin, and I basically judge my cleansers on the basis of whether they dry me out or not. So I really like this one, and you can use this during your day or nighttime skincare routine. Moving on, we will be using this exfoliating gel from the range. Now, this one again has BHA and neem extracts, and it basically has a naturally exfoliating effect on the skin. It helps in peeling the dead skin from the surface, and so I just use this on my affected area only. I don't use it throughout my face because this might feel a little bit dry, and this is basically for oily and acne prone skin, which I do not have. So I just use it on my affected area. I will also recommend to use it only during your nighttime skincare routine. Then moving ahead, I will be using this hydrating serum from the range, which is my absolute favorite from all the 3 products. I really like this one because it's amazing. It hydrates the skin amazingly, and it doesn't feel like I have anything. So yeah, this also has hyaluronic acid and neem and aloe vera extracts, which is amazing. And again, it's not recommended to use it during daytime, so you should incorporate the second and third step for your nighttime skincare routine. And yeah, that's all for this routine. I hope this was helpful. So that was all about this video. I hope it was helpful, and do not forget to check out the giveaway details, guys, and please participate. I genuinely want all of you to make the most of this giveaway series, and I'm really excited, and I hope this festival season turns out to be amazing for you guys, and I will see you soon, very soon, with another video. Till then, bye bye, take care. I love you guys so much.